Today we will show you our different kinds of wood, such as walnut, teak, and oak. Walnut, edge green.
Face green or yeah.
Face green. You can see the
Stave.
yeah, a little big.
Yes. So it's oil finishing or lacquer finishing?
Oil.
Okay.
Food grade.
Okay. So this one no inner handle?
Can customize the inner handle for you if you need.
Okay.
And all the whole handle.
Okay.
Can customize the logo.
Okay.
Yeah. Engraved.
Yeah. How about next one?
Different shade for you too.
The slab.
Whole slab.
Okay.
Can have a long handle.
Yeah.
Very easy.
Okay. So it's left edge or straight edge?
Straight edge.
This is
one is straight edge.
free left edge.
Free light edge.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay. So next one.
Next one is our bench chopping board.
This is maple.
Maple
Yeah.
chopping board. Yeah. And
Okay.
green. And green.
Yeah. So this is the square block.
Yeah, square block.
Okay.
And you can see this cutting board is our walnut cutting board. And screw. Can see the appearance dark brown. And
Yeah.
because the wood is very natural, can see the color has light and dark. We can customize the rubber feet for you if you need, and the inner handle.
Okay. How about next one? Shape.
Yeah, shape for you.
Okay.
This inner handle.
Okay. So this is another type.
Yeah, another type
Handle.
different from this.
From okay, this one.
Different.
Okay.
Also the silicone feet.
Okay. So for this small block, this is inland, right? Yeah. But for some other structures, it's brick. Brick structures, it can be more stable. Okay. Next one.
Next one, this one is our high quality thick oak.
Okay.
You can
So
see the green is very beautiful.
okay. So how about the place of origin of the teak? Place of
Burma.
Burma. Okay.
Yeah.
Burma teak is the real teak.
Yeah, real thick.
Real teak.
We can make different size for you. We usually make the size is 40 by 30. The thickness about we have 3,
Yeah.
4
Yeah.
cm.
Okay.
Oak.
Is white oak or red oak?
This one is white oak.
I think it's white oak.
Yeah, white oak.
Yeah.
White oak.
So for the small pieces, is in line. Yeah, we can also custom other structure, brick structure for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The side also can customize.
Yeah. Okay. So thank you, Candice.
Thank you. We will see you next time.
Okay. Bye bye.